Hello, this is a air conditioning unit. I bought this power station because it's 2400, and I wanted to see if this EENOOR, and thanks to the people that recommended it. The only problem is you can't get the power station with it no more, the original one. So you gotta use more energy in its power bank for right now. They're supposed to be putting out more new batteries for it. I doubt that. But anywhere, I want to see if this cheap 2,000 watt solar generator. So it'll be 2400, model is QH2000. I want to see if this could power it. So this is how you cut it on. I'm trying to get the, I guess you have to have the DC on. Alright. That's the energy it uses. Well, let's boot up, start up. So I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to put it on the sleep mode. There you go. You're seeing this for the first time you're seeing this. I don't know what this is going to do. I think if I get 8 hours off this power bank, the only problem with this power bank, it takes about 10 hours to get it charged up. It's a slow charging. It only takes them like 180 watts to 200. But if I wanted it to have AC, I wanted to see how long, it will last. So it's calculating the energy usage. What I want to do is cut the energy down, put it on. So it's not using that much energy. Here at 70 degrees. The kitchen must be about 77. There you go. This air conditioner is loud, but unfortunately you can't buy it no more. This was the last unit from EENOOR. I bought the last one from off of the website. It took a while to get it, so I'm gonna have to deal with the noise. The noise goes away after a while. And this is set up in air conditioning night mode to use low energy. We don't need it at 70. I'm increasing it up to 75 because we want to save the energy. Cut off at 77. You still feel the cold air. There you go. It's still on. You can hear it still on. It's the energy it's using. 77 degrees and you don't need it that cold. You know. Not just that, you burn up the unit and you waste battery power. If it was hotter, you know, you try to keep it around 80, but this unit's not set up for that. A lot of people try to cool, you know, you only want to keep it like around 80. If it's 100, you probably want to keep it around 85. That's the wattage you use. I'm going to turn it back down. It's going to take a while. It flashes. Then you're going to see it engage again. It still has a cold air coming out, so it doesn't recognize it. There you go. There you go. It's kicking back on again. Like I said, this is at 70. It's cutting on. I don't know what your temperature is going to be at your place where you're at, but this is the ideal. You can see the hours. This is 6,000 BTUs. So I like this one because it's larger, this unit. I haven't tried out the smaller units yet, but you know, on this power bank, this does use a lot of energy, but you know, it's a toss-up. What do you want? Cold air, cooler place, or do you want something that don't do this job? This feels like it does that job perfectly. There's nothing wrong with it. During a blackout, when you're trying to get sleep, all you care is having some cold air blow up on top of you. Or if you're in a van, you just want to have a little cold air blown up on top of you. Like I said, this power bank right here takes too long. It's a good power bank. It just, only charges like 150 to 180. So I would just use this for like one night, and then I go to a place and charge it up later, like if I'm going to work or something. Or so I can find me a source of energy. There you go. Thank you for watching. God bless.